everyone, Jessica Whitaker here. I am a New York City-based photographer, but today we are in Seattle, Washington, my hometown, and I'm going to be bringing you along on a really fun DIY studio shoot outdoors. I hope that this session brings you some inspiration and encouragement and just reminds you, number one, to have fun with photography every once in a while, and also that you don't have to have a ton of gear or this huge setup or a private studio to make beautiful images. I have a ton of videos I've done in my apartment with the seamless paper, which is the paper you can see behind me, taped up on my wall, but this is the first time I've actually ever used a stand of my own. Thank you so much to Savage Universal for sponsoring this video. Before we get into it, I do really just want to remind you guys that photography seriously should be so much fun, and you should have these shoots where it's just for fun every once in a while with your friends. I mean, I know for me, I started out in photography by getting together with my friends, and they would do their hair and makeup, and then the backdrop would actually be the shower lining. It was like this white lining in the bathroom, and that would be like our seamless paper. So it really brings me back to those days because the shoot was so much fun, and I really think that's what photography should be. This is one of my best friends on earth ever of all time. The most amazing person to ever walk this earth is Lily Joe. Lily, introduce yourself to them.
Hi, I'm Lily Joe. Jessica's my best friend. I love her so much. We've known each other since
a very long time.
We've been through it all together. I want to do a quick shout out to my mama.
Yes.
Yes, she provided the costumes today. She has a whole costume closet. She has a production called Page to Stage Productions. She does Theater for All, which provides theater for special needs adults, and then the rest of her mission statement is providing theater for like kids who don't have a chance to do theater and build confidence in young kids. So she has an entire costume closet. That's where we got these great things.
Yeah, and you guys will see the costume closet. We want to thank her for just being so generous, donating some of the clothes for this shoot for us to utilize and use. There are so many cute options. And of course, we picked literally your sister's t-shirt instead of something in the costume closet, what we ended up with. But I'm going to have her business link down below. Is it just in the Seattle area?
Yes, for now.
If you're in the Seattle area and you're interested in either getting involved, volunteering, or you might know somebody who might be interested in attending the program, it'll be linked down below. It's so good and so important. Be sure to subscribe. This helps me be able to continue to bring you free tutorials on a weekly basis, and also you'll be the first to know when a new tutorial for your photography business comes out. So subscribe down below, and let's go to the costume closet. Rewind, rewind, rewind. We really lucked out today. We have a really big selection to choose from. The paper is pink, and I was telling Anya is filming for us. Anya was in a video on my channel too, linked up here. The color is pink. It's like a hot pink, and what I'm really into is color blocking. I'm obsessed with like monochromatic looks, but in this we're gonna do either something, well, what I envision in my mind is something that's like green with the pink. I think will be really cool, or like red, or even watch us do something completely opposite. What's so fun though about photography that you guys need to remember is it should be fun. It doesn't have to be so serious. Yes, you should have stuff like organized, like the basic time, and especially if you're doing a shoot with like a model or client, but have fun with photography sometimes. Get together with your friends and just shoot. Oh, you know what? I'm not very good at doing other people's eye makeup, I just realized. I'm good at brows, but I'm just gonna do something simple.
Okay.
Because it's just you're just a simple, humble girl.
Nikki Tutorials is shaking.
Yeah, she's shaking at the fact that it's literally creasing so bad right now, but it's okay because your eyes are gonna be open, so we won't even see the crease. Oh my gosh, Lily, this looks so cute.
Ooh, wait, my brows have never looked better.
Okay, love. Oh my gosh, I want to give Lily, like, I want her to literally be like fluffy, fluffy, fluffy brows, lashes, cheekbones cutting through the 405. I can get this mirror. Lily, oh my gosh, the brows! We are the vlog life. And then Lily's finishing up her makeup.
Hello, where do I look?
Oh my gosh, the brows!
What is that?
It's like all about the bare minimum. All you need is a brow, a really deep side part, and you're good. Oh, ow. Sorry. Okay, Lily, your hair looks so freaking cute. You guys, wait, I did this and it looks so good. I was really kind of not sure if I would be able to do someone else's hair, but it looks cute. Oh my gosh. Lily, you look so cute. Yes, I love like this little bit in the front.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, love. With the brows, you have got to be kidding me right now. Cute.
Gorgeous.
Yes.
Gorgeous.
Yes. So cute in the back. Oh my gosh, I actually did it. Oh my gosh, wait. Lily looks so.
Oh,
yes. Happy dog. Happy boy. Happy boy. Okay, we are setting up the They love when I talk like that. If you're ever like, what should I name my dog? You have to test it out at least 6 octaves higher than your normal voice to see if it's a cute name. Thank you, Malai.
You're welcome.
Okay, so we are going to be using the 86-inch. Yo, low-key, I was like, how are we gonna fit this into Anya's car though? We're gonna use the 86-inch paper from Savage. I've never used this large before, but since we're outside, everything is kind of like smaller, that I wanted to give it a go. Man versus wild, be like. We got the color tulip. Okay, 86-inch tulip. Ooh, nice. This goes with your outfit perfectly. Okay, yay. Okay, cool. Okay, me in real life, me in pictures. I'd be like, I'm 6'5". We are going to first do a quick little CrossFit workout. And I think just in front of this car to have it be funny. Anya, let's grab. What's up?
Bowser, that's really rude. Hey. Don't bark like that anymore.
Okay, can grab. Change the jacket, it's reversible. I wanted to match the paper. We're now all mic'd up. Retweet for the lasso, you guys. Like this video for the lasso. And we are now going to set up the actual photo shoots. We did hair, makeup, got the fit, had a fun time, literally spent 3 hours getting ready. I have the convenient portable pop-up backdrop stand from Savage Universal. I'm really excited to give the stand a try today, especially outside. I wanted to do a shoot that was kind of like contrasting with the Washington wilderness. I think it's kind of unique and creative and quirky to do a studio shoot outside, and also the light is the best. So we don't have to use any like soft boxes or ring lights or anything like that. We're just using the sky. It's gonna be so good. I'm really excited, and you guys definitely don't have to get a backdrop stand. You can tape it to your wall too, but if you have done a few shoots like myself, I'll link mine down below, my other DIY studio ones, and you want to take it one step further, I think this is a great option because it's lightweight, it's good quality, it comes in the kit, it's also pretty affordable in my opinion as an additional piece in your collection. Okay, so there's just 3 parts to this. This is going to go across it. Just have 2 stands. We're gonna just do one side first, and then we're gonna feed the paper through on the other one. So this is pretty easy to do. So I'm just gonna untwist this little guy. Yeah, it gets really wide, as you guys can see. Take this fully off to put the paper on. Okay, so we want the paper to roll forward. To get, oh my gosh, it's like ASMR.
Literally, that's what I was about to say.
So you're going to need to get a clip. It comes separately. I love it against the forest. I think it's gonna look so good. And that literally took 10 minutes maybe to set up. And if you had this in your apartment, like in your house permanently, I found a receipt. Ew, there's a dog. In this, no, I'm not joking. I got this at the Goodwill in Seattle, thrifted. Inside, there's like a hospital band. I just touched it too with my bare hand. And it's the inside out, I never wear it in this version too. Okay, anyways, we're gonna get started with the shoot. So we're gonna flip on over to the little camera and we're gonna shoot with Lily, and it's gonna be so good. I think that this looks so sick. I love the pink against the forest. And close your eyes. Yeah, like hug it. I love for these kind of poses, always, if you're gonna be like, bring everything, squish everything up. That's usually the opposite of everything I teach. I'm always like, have the neck be down, have the shoulder down, have everything nice and open. But for these big laughing moments, I love to just cinch everything nice and cozy. I love this pink with the, oh my gosh, I love the size of this paper. It's literally, it's perfect for outside. So one thing is when you're putting your hand above your head, you don't want to distort the hair at all. So what I would encourage you, if you have the hand, the arm just a tiny bit above the head, leaving a little bit of space, it won't mess with the shape of your hair. But also it frames it nicely and still keeps you nice and open, as opposed to like this. Then also you might have a shadow from the arm on the face. So it's just a lot more flattering to kind of this as opposed to pushed away. Yes. So perfect. Perfect. Okay, cute. This is so cute, Lily. Ah, okay. Oh my gosh, love. Okay, okay, I love leaning forward because I feel like it adds a bit of movement to the shot. Oh my gosh, love. And then close your eyes and actually bring the shoulders back. Yeah, I know it's gonna feel.
We did this in the snow.
Yeah, perfect. Sorry, turn this way. There we go. Okay, yes. Lift your face up just a little bit. Okay, stay just like that. That's perfect. Open your eyes a little bit wide. Yes! Oh my gosh. Now lift your face down a little bit. Lift your face, sorry, bring your face down. This looks so cute, Lily. I'm gonna do a little motion walking, but I'm gonna have you just do like a back and forth. Yep, perfect. And then put your hands on your hips or in your imaginary pockets. Kind of be playful with it. Eee! Perfect. Now can you like put one hand above your head? Try not to squish the hair though. You can kind of even lift up if you need to. And then big smiles. Stay just like that for me. And then kind of lean forward a bit. And big smiles too. Yeah, 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 that's cute. And then even, now can you blow a kiss? And like keep that foot up then. Yeah, 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 perfect. And then big smiles. Whenever you're doing these kind of poses, you want to like reassure.
Those are so cute.
Love. Yes. And then kind of look at me a bit. And do a wide shot. And lift your face up higher. Yes, perfect. Now can you just put both hands above your head? And maybe like star. Yeah, 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 yeah. Bring your shoulders back. Look at me straight on. Yep, and lift the face up higher. Really cute. Bring your face down just to here. Yeah, yeah, and then big smile. Turn your face more this way though. Yeah. I just want to see more of you. Try not to, when you do that, try to keep your face still out. Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Big smiles. Lean forward a little bit. And then huge, like tee-hee. Yes, yes, perfect. Can you bring one hand up by your face, kind of like cover it? Like, yeah, 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 yeah. Lean other way, stay like that. Really high on your tiptoes, now look at me. big smiles, like. Okay, perfect. Now come all the way down here. Same pose, same pose, same pose. Scoot even more, scoot even more. Okay, perfect. Bring your face a little bit more towards me. Turn this side a little bit. Okay, there we go. You can still actually lean back, yeah. Do that kind of hopeful, like, I love like these. Okay, do that kind of looking over. Okay, perfect. Stay just like that for me. That's perfect, Lily. Okay, do you want to look through? Yes. Okay, so
I'm gonna put my shoes on.
Okay, yeah, true.
Pigs are cold.
Okay, so we have, I think we might be good.
We have a lot of photos.
We have a little bit more daylight, so I think we're gonna take some little Instagram pics of our setup. Think of your photos so far,
Oh
Lily.
my gosh, LEWK.
You're doing so good.
Yeah.
And your outfit, the lip matches the backdrop perfectly.
It's so cool.
I think I talked about this at the beginning, I love doing like color blocking or monochromatic. This isn't monochromatic, but the best thing to do is just look on the color wheel and pick like the complementary colors, tertiary tones, whatever, like blue and orange go together. They're tertiary, complementary, I don't know. Or you could do a monochromatic look and just keep the pieces simple if you want, and that's a great way to make everything look editorial and fun. Even if you don't know a ton about fashion or styling, you don't have to have a huge team. Like I just did Lily's hair, she did her makeup, I take credit for the brows. You know, you don't have to have a huge setup or a bunch of gear to create some really fun images. So I hope that this encourages you guys so much. Oh, and be sure, view all the images, they'll be linked down below. I think I forgot to say that in our little intro.
I love them so much.
Yeah.
Jess literally makes me feel like a model every time.
You are, literally look at you. Queen. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed. I hope that this just brought you some inspiration and encouragement too. You can create beautiful photos wherever in the world you are at, literally in your own backyard, which is literally where we're at.
My backyard.
Be sure to follow Lily over on her Instagram. It'll be linked down below. You guys can subscribe if you want more photography videos. And thank you again to Savage Universal for sponsoring this video, providing us with the stand and the paper. I'm gonna be linking everything with them down below. You guys, seriously, it's so affordable and it's a great option if you are getting started in photography, but you don't wanna drop a ton of money, but you still want quality. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.